in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how can you improve session performance in aggregator transformation. So this all important step is there. The most important step is use sorted input to decrease the use of aggregate cache. Okay, so let's understand by the example. So this is the mapping I already have, and now then I'm using employees. So here let's see the record inside there of this employees. So this is the record inside the employees table, and here department ID. So department ID is now this here, this duplicate record. So this duplicate and random record that passing inside the aggregator transformation. So if I go on this source qualifier properties, so you can see here this properties is there. So number of sorted port 0 is there. That means random or record that passing into the aggregator transformation. And if I go on this aggregator transformation, this all are ports are available, making department ID in group Y and calculating the max SAT. And there is also one more thing. On this properties, sorted input is not selected. Okay, and let's run the. So this is here session. Let's click on this start task. So this is the session. Let's open here get session log, and this is the session of this S22 S12 test 12. Okay, and the next is there going to use another mapping. The name is here sorted input. Let's drag there. So the same thing here, employees, same table that I'm using. Here you can see the records is the same records, and here you can see this department IDs are duplicate and random. So what I have done there, so this department ID column I make the off, and after that in the properties that I have saved it number of sorted port. So here this is position 1, and here number of sorted port 1 that's given. That means this place first that sort the record of the department ID. So that was in random order, and here since given the value 1, so that this sorted the record first, and this sorted record that go to the aggregator transformation. And here you can see this is the port department ID making that off, and group Y, and here max ID calculating the max ID, and this is the output port. So thereafter here you can see sorted input, this is check there, and if check input transformation is assumed to be already sorted by the group ports. So this already sorted. Since here given the value 1, so this already sorted. And here group by, this is group by. So after that, the next is let's run this session sorted input. I start the task. And now you can see the session M sorted that's run at this times and succeeded. Now let's go and get the session log. So this here sorted input, and here without sorted input. So if I scroll down without setted or sorted input, so here you can see. So here you can see aggregator and index cache and data cache, and index cache that increased by this number, and data cache that increased by this number. Aggregate information creating new index cache and data cache. So index cache that's created and data cache that's created. Okay, So this number of sites that's taken there. And if I scroll down, then you can see there or here or this the B tree being managed in the files, and the data cache and index cache, this all process that has done there. So this you can see here requested 12 records and loaded into target. Okay, and here you can see, so this read 107 record and loaded 12 only in the target. And here index cache that's in memory 2296 bytes, that's so taken there. And the data cache size group of the input rows that's taken 2720. And after that these twos are deleted there. When you are using without sorted input, this you can get there inside the session log. But if you are using sorted input, then here you can see session commit input table. So here you can get this message. Only messages aggregate information aggregator sorted input optimization is on. So this on, and there is no any more information about here data cache, index cache, this all. Okay, so here you can see the index B tree is not there. So if you assume the time taken process, so this taken obviously this take less timer than the using or without using sorted input. Here you can see the same record, 12 record that's loaded there, and there is no any information related with the index get deleted, and deleting information is not there. So here by using this sorted input, so here mapping or sorry session, this take only few steps to complete this process. Okay, so obviously here to in here using sorted input that decrease the use of aggregate cache and here improve the session performance. So if records are million, better use their million, and 10 million record is there. So here's record there. Then you better use their sorted input to decrease the aggregated cache, and this enhance the performance of the session. The next is limit connected and connected input output ports. So what exactly happening there? So here this is the aggregate transformation. This is your port. So few ports are unnecessary. This is not required there. So better you can make that input port such as first name, that's not necessary, email, here phone number. So this and salary should be in input. This is not required. So only required input port you need to take into the target. Okay, this definitely enhance the session performance. And the third step is filter before aggregating. Suppose if records are duplicate. So if records is duplicate, better use their source filter or use their distinct property to remove the duplicate records. So this or remove their duplicate record from this source qualifier. And if source is a flat file, then you can use their sorted transformation. So this is here sorted transformation, and sorted transformation has also the distinct properties. So distinct properties there when you make that, so this remove the all the duplicate record that's going inserted into the aggregator transformation. So before here inserting the column insert the aggregator transformation, make sure you should filter the record. And the third is here by using, so this is the third, and the next is by using incremental aggregator also we can improve the performance of session. This all steps is there. So this about the incremental aggregator I will discuss in my later video. So this is how we can improve the session performance. using aggregator transformation. So I hope guys this video is the helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.